Now to the outrage over the Odisha campus horror over the suicide of a 20-year-old student in Balasore who died by self-immolation after sexual harassment complaints against a head of department, Sameer Sahu, were allegedly ignored by college authorities. 8 opposition parties, led by the Congress, have called for a statewide Odisha Bandh today, demanding justice for this college student from Balasore who died after setting herself on fire. The protest seeks justice for the student who succumbed to over 90% burn injuries late on Monday at AIIMS Bhubaneswar, 3 days after she set herself ablaze on campus. The student, a second-year B.Ed student, had reportedly complained about sexual harassment by a professor, but no action was taken. Following the incident, authorities have arrested the college principal and the head of the education department for their alleged inaction and negligence. Dev Kumar has more for us. Listen in.
8 opposition parties led by Congress today is having Bandh in Odisha. You could see from the visuals over here, parties are protesting and they are demanding for justice, as well as they are demanding the resignation of Higher Education Minister, as well as the MP and MLA of Baleswar, along with the SP and the IIC of Baleswar Town Police Station, Sahadev Khunta Police Station. They are demanding justice. Today, public and private buses are also off-road throughout Odisha. Shops and markets are also shut down. You could see from the visuals over here. The police are deployed in each and every corner of the state, and this is the visual of Bhubaneswar, where we could see schools are closed. Government officials offices are also been affected, but no official closure announced yet. However, train services are not affected, but delays are been seen throughout the state. You could see the passengers, those who are moving towards the station, as due to the Bandh, they are facing also a lot of problem. And this is the security arrangement throughout the Bhubaneswar as well as Odisha. So if we talk about the effect of Bandh, it has been seen in Odisha, as the 8 opposition parties led by Congress have called the Bandh, and the effect are seen from each and every corner of Odisha. From Bhubaneswar, Dev Kumar for NDTV.